The reality of life, how to survive with stoic strength. Ang buhay ay hindi fair. Hindi ito ginawa para maging madali, kundi para subukin tayo. May sakit, may pagkawala, may kabiguan, at may mga araw na parang gusto mo nang sumuko. Pero ayon sa stoic philosophy, you don't survive life by escaping pain. You survive by becoming stronger than it. You don't control life. You control how you face it. The stoic reality of life does not owe us comfort. Walang promise na magiging okay palagi ang lahat. People will disappoint you. Plans will fail. Things will be taken away from you. Sabi ni Marcus Aurelius, do not wish that things happen as you want them to, but wish that they happen as they do happen. And you will go on well. Ibig sabihin, kapag lumalaban ka sa realidad, ikaw lang ang nasasaktan. Pero kapag tinanggap mo ito, doon ka nagiging malakas. Stoicism teaches us na ang buhay ay neutral. Hindi mabuti o masama ang nangyayari. Ang interpretasyon natin ang gumagawa nito. Survival starts when we stop blaming life and start taking responsibility for your response. How to survive life the stoic way. Number 1, accept what you cannot control. Hindi mo kontrolado ang ibang tao, ang nakaraan at ang kapalaran. Kapag pinilit mong kontrolin ang hindi mo hawak, nauubos ka emotionally. Ang stoic, nakatuon lang sa kaya niyang kontrolin ang isip, kilos at ugali niya. Acceptance is not giving up. It is choosing peace over pointless suffering. Number 2, master your mind. Ang utak mo ang battlefield. Kung hindi mo ito kinokontrol, emotions ang magkokontrol sa'yo. Ang galit, takot at lungkot ay normal. But they should not decide your actions. Ayon kay Epictetus, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Kapag binago mo ang pananaw mo, nababago mo ang lakas mo. Number 3, turn pain into training sa stoic mindset. Ang hirap ay hindi parusa, training ito. Every hardship is shaping you. Every struggle is teaching you endurance. Kung walang pain, walang growth. Hindi ka nabubuo sa comfort. Nabubuo ka sa pagsubok. 4, live with purpose, not comfort. Ang saya ay panandalian, pero ang purpose ay pangmatagalan. Kapag alam mo kung bakit ka lumalaban, kakayanin mo kahit gaano kahirap ang sitwasyon. Stoics believe na ang tunay na lakas ay galing sa virtue, doing what is right kahit mahirap, kahit walang palakpak, kahit mag-isa ka lang. The power of stoic survival. Ang totoong survival ay hindi lang basta buhay ka. Hindi lang basta buhay ka. Buo ka pa rin sa loob, kahit kunin sa'yo ang pera, status o comfort, hindi nila kayang kunin ang character mo. Life may be harsh, but a disciplined mind is unbreakable. Life will test you in ways you never expected. Minsan, parang unfair. Minsan, parang sobra. Pero tandaan mo, you were not made to quit. You were made to endure and rise. If this stoic message helped you, please like and share and subscribe for more deep, powerful wisdom. Stay strong, stay disciplined, and stay grounded. God bless you.